Have you noticed how the job market has changed dramatically over the years? Gone are the days when job security was guaranteed just because you had a college degree. Today, the world is moving faster than ever, and employers are no longer impressed by your diploma alone. They're looking for real, practical skills that drive results. In this video, we're diving deep into 10 powerful skills that are more valuable than a university degree in 2025. These are skills you can learn on your own or through short courses. No student loans, no 4-year wait. If you master even one of them, you'll stand out in any career field, earn more money, and build long-term financial independence. So grab your notebook and let's get started. First up, at number 1, is CPR and first aid certification. If you've ever dreamed of becoming a nurse, doctor, or coach but didn't want to spend years in school, this is a fantastic place to start. These life-saving skills are always in demand. Think about it. Schools, sports programs, and community centers are constantly seeking certified individuals. You can complete certification courses in as little as 3 to 5 hours, and at a cost between $50 and $120. That's a tiny investment for a massive return. Once you're certified, you can teach swimming lessons, coach young athletes, or even start your own small emergency response service. These certifications not only give you a sense of purpose, but also make your resume far more appealing to employers who value practical, hands-on experience. It shows you're responsible, proactive, and ready for anything. Skill number 2 is online marketing. With businesses everywhere moving online, digital marketing is one of the most lucrative and flexible skills you can possibly learn right now. From managing social media to optimizing websites for traffic and sales, companies are desperate for skilled online marketers. The demand is simply huge. You can learn the fundamentals of digital marketing in about 10 weeks through affordable online programs, many costing around $2,000 or even less. Once you're certified, you can work from home, start freelancing, or even create your own digital agency. And the beauty of this skill, you don't need a fancy office or a boss looking over your shoulder. You could be working with clients from all over the world while sitting at your desk in pajamas and earning a great income doing it. It's the ultimate freedom-based career. Moving on to skill number 3, cybersecurity. In a world where digital threats are literally everywhere, cybersecurity experts are some of the most in-demand professionals today. Every single company, from the smallest startup to the biggest corporation, needs to protect its data from hackers, and this demand just keeps growing every single year. Entry-level cybersecurity professionals can earn around $30,000 per year, but with experience, specialists can make over $150,000 annually. The UK Department for Digital Culture and Media reports a 14% shortage of qualified experts, making this a golden opportunity for anyone who's even a little tech-savvy. You'll need to study network systems, coding basics, and security tools, but the payoff is absolutely incredible both financially and professionally. You become the digital guardian, and that's a powerful position to be in. Next, at number 4, we have notarizing. If you've ever been interested in law but didn't want to become a lawyer and deal with the years of school and debt, becoming a notary public might be perfect for you. A notary witnesses and verifies legal documents, wills, and contracts, essentially serving as a trusted, impartial legal witness. To get started, you typically take a 6-hour notary course, which costs around $180, and then pass the certification exam. It's that straightforward. Once certified, you can work for government agencies or freelance for legal firms and real estate offices. This role requires integrity and a keen eye for detail, but it can be a stable and rewarding side income, and you'll always be in demand whenever official documentation is needed. At number 5, we have accounting. Now, accounting isn't just for math lovers, it's a universal business skill that can help you build wealth and manage your own finances better than ever before. Certified accountants can earn $80,000 or more per year, and the best part is that you don't need a 4-year degree to start. Many institutions offer accelerated courses that can be completed in less than a year. And think about it, every company, big or small, needs accounting expertise. From restaurants and schools to media agencies and tech startups, they all need someone to manage the numbers. Once you've mastered accounting, you could start your own consultancy or freelance for multiple clients. Remember this: financial literacy equals freedom. Skill number 6 is one of my personal favorites: public speaking. This is easily one of the most powerful soft skills on this entire list. And it's not just about giving speeches on a stage, it's about communicating with influence and confidence. Whether you're pitching a product, leading a team meeting, or speaking at an event, great communicators always stand out from the crowd. You can learn this skill through online courses or by joining local community workshops. Once you build your confidence, you can earn money from speaking engagements, corporate training workshops, or even motivational seminars. Public speaking can literally open doors to leadership positions and media exposure. It's a skill that will pay you back for the rest of your life. Number 7 is for all the foodies out there: cooking. If you have a passion for food, now is the time to monetize it. The explosion of food content online means home cooks and bakers are turning their kitchens into money-making machines. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok and Instagram are filled with creators who earn full-time incomes just by sharing recipes and cooking tutorials. And the best part, you don't need to go to culinary school. You can learn everything online, from beautiful plating to advanced cooking techniques. You can start small, sell homemade meals in your local community, create a cooking channel, or even teach online classes. People love authentic home-style content, and your grandma's secret pie recipe could literally be your ticket to financial success. Next up, at number 8, we have graphic design. This is another high-paying, creative skill that you can learn entirely from home. Businesses need logos, social media graphics, and branding materials every single day. The demand is endless. All you really need is a creative spark and access to tools like Adobe, Photoshop, Illustrator, or even free options like Canva to get started. You can learn design through online courses that cost as little as $29. Once you've built a solid portfolio, you can start freelancing on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, or even build your own design agency. With constant demand from startups, influencers, and big brands, graphic designers have endless opportunities to make money from their art. Skill number 9 is a game changer. Coding. Learning to code is one of the smartest investments you can make in yourself today. Programming jobs are absolutely booming, and even a basic knowledge of coding can empower you to build websites, apps, and other digital tools. You can start by learning the building blocks like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, then move on to more powerful languages like Python or C++. There are tons of free resources everywhere online, and once you gain some experience, freelance or remote developer jobs can easily pay 6 figures. Tech companies are always looking for problem solvers, and learning to code makes you one of them. Finally, at number 10, we have learning a new language. In our increasingly globalized world, speaking multiple languages is a superpower. It opens doors to jobs in translation, tourism, customer service, and international business. Languages like Spanish, Mandarin, French, and German are in incredibly high demand. You can learn them online with amazing apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or Rosetta Stone, often for free or a small subscription. Bilingual professionals often earn higher salaries and enjoy more opportunities for travel. You could even start tutoring online, translating for international clients, or working remotely for a global company. It's a skill that truly connects you to the world. So there you have it, 10 high-income skills that can easily outperform a traditional college degree in 2025. Whether it's digital marketing, coding, or public speaking, these skills will make you adaptable, valuable, and financially independent. Remember, success today isn't about collecting diplomas, it's about mastering practical skills that solve real-world problems. If you found value in this video, please hit that like button, subscribe for more weekly videos, and comment below which skill you're planning to learn this year. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and take control of your future.